Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Man Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. This video is regarding spoked wheels, care and maintenance. Lots of different manufacturers use spoked wheels now. So if your ride has spoked wheels, it would be in your best interest to periodically check your spokes to see if you've got a loose spoke. Quite simple to tighten a loose spoke. They normally have an end cap on the inner side. Get the end cap off and then you can tighten up the spoke. This video shows you how to take the end cap off and actually take the spoke out so you can change the spoke if it was bent. Always remember to check the spoke length before you go back to your manufacturer, as spokes tend to be different sizes. With the state of the roads in the UK and around Europe at the moment, etc., you would be advised to check your spokes more regularly. There's more dents and potholes around than I don't know what lately. And a lot of off-road bikes use spoked wheels, so you need to check them more periodically because you're off-road a lot more. The suspension's working harder, you could easily get a damaged spoke. Please like the video, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. There are over 1,400 videos on our playlist. Please take a look on the channel. Videos are subtitled in English, in Spanish, in Chinese, in French and Arabic, with most of the videos regarding maintenance. This is Man Mick signing off. I will see you later.